Hi GCC Fitness Center students. My name is Meg Rademacher and I'm going to be your primary instructor for this Fitness Center course. So a lot of the messages that you send will be getting answered by me. Most of the grading assignments on your academic assignments or your physical activity assignments will also be graded by me. So a lot of the comments and interactions will be with me. So I just wanted to kind of put a face with the name so you guys could all know who you're speaking with in cyberspace a little bit. I wanted to touch on a couple other things throughout the course. First of all, please feel free to reach out to me with any questions you might have. You can do that by sending me a message over here in the Canvas inbox. I am happy to answer any questions you may have, and please note that I do usually respond to messages within 24 hours. If you haven't heard back from me within that 24-hour range, please resend the message because I may have overlooked it, thought I responded and didn't, or something might have gotten lost in translation as well. So please just feel free to reach out to me again if you don't get a response within the 24 hours. I wanted to make one other key concept of this course clear, and that includes what your assignments are for each week and how you should be turning those in. You will always see some type of module, and the dates and things that are going to be listed in your specific course may be a little bit different than what you see here right now, but this is just an example. So for week 1, your module, you'll notice that you had a academic assignment, and the required assignment for this class is for you to always turn in one academic assignment each week. Ideally, throughout the Fitness Center course, you want to be turning in somewhere between 3 and 4 hours per week. So that translates to 3 to 4 assignments per week that you'll be turning in. Okay, so one academic assignment is required each week. So you'll make sure you turn in that. Also, you want to make sure that you're doing your physical activity assignments as well. So again, between your academic assignments and your physical activity assignments, you should be completing 3 to 4 a week to stay on track to earn your appropriate number of hours before the end of the semester. You have the opportunity to turn in 7 hours worth of work each week in this course. So by doing that, you would do 1 academic assignment, and then you have the option for 6 other physical activity assignments that you would complete for a total of 7 hours or 7 assignments. One thing to note is that you're only allowed to do 2 of these per day as a maximum. So let's say you get to work on Monday and you complete your academic assignment and you go out for a 45-minute or an hour-long workout. Then you complete your activity quiz for your first 1.1 or your first activity assignment of the week. So that's what you did on Monday. Tuesday, you're like, forget it. It's hot out. I'm not working out. Forget it. So Tuesday, you do nothing. On Wednesday, you decide to do some yoga. So you would complete activity quiz number 2 for the week. Okay. So already you've earned your 1 hour from your academic assignment, your 1 hour from your run, and then your 1 hour from your yoga assignment. So you've already reached your 3-hour recommended value for the week. Okay? If you'd like to continue to work out, in which I encourage you to do so, then you can complete more activity quizzes. Let's say on Thursday you decide to go for a hike in the morning, and then you come home and in the evening you decide you really liked your yoga from earlier in the week, so you do another yoga workout. So those 2 assignments you could turn in at the same day on Thursday. So that would be your 2-hour maximum for Thursday. Okay? So you just go on, just continue on with turning in those physical activity assignments as you progress through the week. Remember, 3 to 4 hours is recommended total, so you have to do your 1 academic assignment, but then trying to get at least 2 or 3 other athletic or physical activity assignments completed as well. You are allowed to earn up to 7 hours a week though, so there is potential that you could finish this course early by getting your number of hours that are recommended either for your A or your pass-fail from the course by the course end date. Okay? If you have questions about that or are still unclear about what exactly you should be turning in each week, or what is the maximum number of assignments you can turn in, again, shoot me a message in Canvas. I'm happy to answer those questions. Key highlights: 2 assignments maximum per day and 7 maximum assignments a week. Make sure you're at least doing your 1 academic assignment and potentially turning in somewhere between 3 and 4 assignments overall to kind of stay on track to ace this fitness center course. I look forward to working with you all this semester, and if you have any questions or need any help, just send me a message. Have a great week.